What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Today, this is something I've had for a while. Pulsar inverter generator, so the quiet type. It's 2300 peak watts, 1800 rated watts, gasoline powered. Part number is PG2300IS. Now, I owned a Wen. I think they make pretty decent stuff, but a Wen 4500 that I sold, kind of made my money back on that because I never used it. Wish I would have kept it, but inverter generator. So Pulsar, if you guys do not know, is a company located in Ontario, California. The engines are manufactured in China by Recoil. They kind of want to compete with Honda and Yamaha. And the key element of them is clean electricity with the lowest total possible harmonic distribution, THP. The lower the THD, the lower the THD, the cleaner and safer it runs for the electronics. So 1800 watts running watts. It's a 4.8 hour half load generator with a 1.18 gallon tank. It's 47 pounds. So 15 amps is what 1800 watts gets you. So if you look at your appliances and stuff, they'll go by amps. This one will give you 15 total, and it should run my fridges and stuff and deep freezer. It does have parallel compatibility, so you can hook up it to another one of these generators. It has low oil shut off, an automatic voltage regulator. The oil is 10W30 and it uses 11.8 ounces. And I did forget to mention this is going to be kind of like an unboxing. I'm going to pull this out of here, look at it. With generators, I'm pretty sure you have a break-in period, so you kind of got to take it out of the box, let it run for said amount of time. But here we go. Recoil pull start, 80cc OHV engine. And it has all that stuff there. Grounding connection. And there's a picture. You can run it parallel ready. Parallel outlets, AC circuit breaker, 120 volt, 15 amp outlets, economy switch, off run choke, and it includes charging cables, which is pretty nice. So let me pull this son of a gun. Oh, and $399 is the price for it, and I paid $423 after tax, which from the research I personally did on inverter generators, that was a pretty good price. And this one was rated pretty good. I read through the reviews. There was nothing weird in them or anything that would want me to not want to buy them. 3-year limited warranty. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. So one thing I want to mention, I opened up this owner's manual on top, and I've seen this with a lot of generators I've gotten. They will give you some sort of oil or gas funnel with a flex hose. They're nice to have. I actually bought one off of Amazon. I'll give you an example of it. So it's this Magic lubricant funnel, and I got this off of Amazon, so you can check that out. Let me see here. There you go. But it's pretty nice if you've owned generators and stuff. Even has a little filter in there, but these come in handy for oil, gasoline, whatever. So again, I see already it came with one, just going along with how I'm opening this up. Came with a spark plug, you know, getter outer, and these are the battery charger cables. So it comes with Pulsar 4-cycle engine lubricant, so engine oil, 10W30, and it's 11.8 ounces. I do this with a lot of machines that I buy that require oil. I'll keep this and then use it to be able to know how much to fill up into there, so I'm never guessing. So I'm reading the directions. Fill cap for the, has an air valve on the top of the gas tank there. I'm reading right now to see level surface. Be sure to check oil. Haven't gotten to the how to stop engine, so hold on. Okay, so it does not say that you have to have any runtime. It's just telling you how to start it up. You can see up top here it says do car emissions control. There you go, most clean, least clean. We're gonna turn this sucker around. I'm not gonna lie, it's 47 pounds and it feels every bit of 47 pounds. So you have the muffler in the back there with the little you got this side here, looks like it's for oil maintenance. Look down in there, looks like a spark plug there, so in the top on the one side. And then if you're looking at this thing from the front, here you go. So it has actual lights, oil, overload, output, 12 volt right there, economy mode, run, on, off, choke, 2 power outlets, this stuff, grounding for grounding rod. These are little outlet things. I mean, really all I care about are these, and to run a fridge, and it has a little 5 volt, but that's about it. It's pretty heavy, feels like it's well constructed. Like I said, this is an unboxing video, and nice gas cap has a contaminants little thing there. That's cool. So yeah, seems like a solid unit, and it will serve me well, but we shall see. We'll get it up and running and test it out. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.